Hello, Rocky Jeans here. Have you ever jumped into a situation that you felt like you had to put the fire out right away, only to find out as you get through it that you didn't get all the information and you may have a little embarrassment to deal with? So, bottom line on any situation you're dealing with, especially people, coworkers, get all the facts first. FACTS. Get all the facts. Too many times we just want to jump in there and take care of it. We don't get all the facts first. Take the time when we're calmed down to review it and make the decision of how we move forward. So the lesson today is get all the facts first, and click on the link here and check into the online business school, which has a whole lot more information at a very competitive investment. All right, thanks. Have a great day.